Store-bought tomatoes and pesto give you a jump start on this Italian-inspired dish that creates a thick, delicious pasta sauce. Use chicken with bone whenever possible, as it's far more beneficial for your health and makes any recipe more flavorful. Spray a baking dish with cooking spray and set it aside. Homemade pesto is wonderful if you have it, but there's times that I don't. This is my favorite store-bought pesto. Add the flour and salt to a plate. Then coat the chicken with the flour. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat. Add some oil, I'm using avocado oil, and then brown your chicken. While your chicken is browning, add your remaining ingredients to a medium-sized bowl. Your diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, tomato paste, and your pesto. Then add your olives, make sure that you've drained them. Once you've browned your chicken on both sides, transfer it to your baking dish. Then if you like, add some of your sauce to the skillet and scrape up any brown bits for added flavor to your dish. Then add this to your chicken and top with your sauce. Cover your baking dish with a lid or with foil and bake at 350 for 1 hour. After an hour, the chicken will be tender and a delicious aroma will fill your kitchen. Just cook some pasta and you're ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to receive a new recipe each week.